In this video, I'll be showing you how to permanently disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 and 11. So as you can see at the moment within Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection has the green tick, which means that Windows Defender and the Virus Threat Protection is currently running. If I click onto Virus Threat Protection, you can see everything is there at the moment. So to permanently disable all of this, we can do it within the Windows registry. So you need to be very careful when it comes to playing around with the registry, because if you do the wrong thing within the registry, then you could end up breaking Windows, which would mean that you need to reinstall Windows and you might lose all your files. So I would recommend that you back up everything before doing this video. That then brings me to disabling Windows Defender. You should only be doing this if you have a real good reason to, because you should be using a security program of some sort while using Windows, because if you don't, then you could get infected by a security threat, resulting in the loss of important files and documents and anything else you have on your computer. So the first thing that we need to do is open up Windows Security, and we can do this by opening up the Start menu and then typing in Windows Security. You then need to select Windows Security, and we then need to click on Virus and Threat Protection. And you then need to scroll down and then click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. And we then need to scroll down and we need to toggle tamper protection to off. Once you've done this, we can then close down Windows Security, and we now need to open up the registry editor. And we can do this by opening up the Start menu and then typing in Registry Editor, and we then need to click on Registry Editor. Once you have the Registry Editor open, we now need to go to a location within the registry. So the easiest way to get the location is by clicking on the link in the description below to go to our website, where I have put the location, which you can right click on and go copy. Or you can pause the video right now and just write out that location path. So once you have copied the location or typed it in manually in the address bar at the top, you then need to press enter. You will now have something that looks like this. And as you can see, we are in the Windows Defender folder on the left hand side here. So ensure you are in the correct location. So you now need to create a new D word, unless you already have one that says disable anti-spyware. If you don't, then you need to right click in the empty space, and we then need to go new, and we then need to select D word 32-bit value. We now need to give this the name disable anti-spyware. Once you've typed out disable anti-spyware, just click anywhere in the empty space, and we then need to right click on this D word, and we then need to go modify. You now need to change the value data to 1. Once you've done this, you then need to press OK. Now restart Windows, and then that will disable Windows Defender. I'm going to restart my computer now. So once you have restarted Windows, if you now open up Windows Security, you will see that Virus and Threat Protection is currently loading. It's got the little spinny icon. If I actually select Virus and Threat Protection, you can see it still says Getting Protection Info. So if we just leave this for a couple of minutes, then in a minute you will see that it says that it's disabled. And there we go. As you can see, it now says no active antivirus provider, your device is vulnerable. And if I select home, you can see there that it says your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization. So that's how you disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 and 11. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below. And if you'd like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.